think this is what I'm supposed to be working on. My work order says aisle 9. I'm currently in aisle 10. But they did say wire or shelving cutter. So I believe I'm supposed to fix a pneumatic wire cutter here. I don't have the code to actually turn this safety disconnect or whatever you call it on. Alright, follow me guys. So right up there, that connector right there, one side of that goes down behind the shelving. Let's see, you can see the cord right there. Goes down, 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 and it powers that electrical box. So that electrical box that you're looking at comes over here and it powers this coded, what I call it, just a coded disconnect. Let's look back up there again. Now if you'll notice, the other side of that Molex plug isn't connected to anything. So obviously there won't be any electricity if it's not connected to anything. There should be something hanging in there that would normally connect to it. Like right there. As I'm walking around, I'm looking at their lighting. And it looks like they have all new fancy LED lights installed. And about a month ago I ran into a similar issue where they had some upgrades made. And a couple of the aisles didn't have electricity. So if I had to guess, I would say that whoever installed these LED lights probably came through and removed power from that. Or they removed the line, or they somehow used it to power up some of these LED lights. So now we have to figure out how we can reconnect power to that.
Hey, what's up YouTube? So we are back on location. It's been about 2 weeks since that last clip you saw. I just got word that my lift has been delivered inside the garden center, so I'm going to run inside there, block off a couple aisleways, drive the lift around until I hit aisle number 10, and then we're going to figure out exactly where up in the ceiling I can steal power or tap into some power, and we'll run it over to that pneumatic cutting device. All right, so
alright, there's the power we're going to be stealing. I found a line that seemingly went to nowhere. It's actually the line that was connected to that, which just dangles down in between the aisle, and it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to steal it and route it over to the machine that does do something. Or try to anyway. So here's what I did. I stole power from the line that fed a basically a bank of empty outlets that is built in behind a display. So I stole power from something that doesn't need power anymore. Just hooked it up to here, so we now have power to our pneumatic device down there. I'm going to secure all this wiring, and then we'll wrap it up. I think it'll work now.
All right, guys, we are all wrapped up here. I'm going to go ahead and start making my way out of this place. Just got my lift put back, called off. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit different than what you're used to. I know I do a majority of heating and cooling, so I figure I'd throw this one in there and give you something different to stare at, you know? So, hope you like it. I'll see you on the next one, guys. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me, all right?